A.J. Ayer, a philosopher who experienced near-death experiences, weighed in on the afterlife, and the internet immediately turned it into a high-stakes metaphysical cage match. The core tension is whether these profound subjective experiences are evidence of consciousness continuing after the body shuts down, or just a final beautiful hallucination. One commenter brought up the DMT parallel, suggesting the brain's failure modes are eerily similar to psychedelic trips. The materialist counter is that common brain architecture under oxygen deprivation can produce remarkably consistent yet ultimately endogenous narratives. But the counterargument is that these experiences happen under monitored conditions when the brain is supposedly offline, which is a huge physical problem to solve. It boils down to the ultimate philosophical standoff: is the experience itself the data, or is the brain's hardware failure the only thing that matters? So the debate remains stuck in this loop. Is the subjective journey proof of the afterlife, or just a very expensive oxygen-deprived software glitch?